Hello, I'm Charly Feldman and I'm a postdoctoral research associate at the University of Leicester, and I work on X-ray instrumentation. I design, build, develop and test instruments for space telescopes. And one of the instruments I recently worked on was the MIX instrument for the ESA mission Bepi-Colombo, which is on its way to Mercury. It is looking at the composition of Mercury based on X-ray fluorescence, which is where the Mercurian surface interacts with the solar wind from the sun and produces distinctive X-rays, which we're able to then image, and we know exactly what wavelength they came from, so we know what element they are, and therefore we can find out what Mercury is made of, because we actually know very little about Mercury. Another interesting fact is the fact that it's going to take us 7 years to get there. So even though Bepi launched in October of 2018, it's going to be 2026 before we actually reach Mercury and are able to start taking any images. I also work on missions which are looking for gamma ray bursts, and they are some of the most exciting explosions in the universe, but we don't actually know what they are. So we have to take images of them as soon as they go off. And so I'm building X-ray telescopes to be able to image these explosions as soon as possible. I got into my job by doing A-levels in physics, maths and computing, and then I went to Manchester University and did a 4 years master's course in physics and astrophysics, and then I did my PhD at the University of Leicester in X-ray instrumentation. I really enjoy my job because it is very varied. Some days I'm in the lab and I'm building things. Other days I'm analysing data from a brand new optic that nobody's ever tested before. And some days I'm just sat at my desk writing reports, which some of the more dull days.